What's happening, Jamaica? Oh, I miss my homeland so much. My name is Marguerite Orain and I live in Toronto, Canada, but my heart is always Jamaican, especially now with mango season. Oh, I would just love a nice Julie or Bombay mango right now. I want to wish everyone a wonderful, happy Pride. And I'm really living in the hope that Jamaica is for me, that one day, soon, everyone in Jamaica will love and accept everyone in Jamaica exactly who they are and who they choose to love with no discrimination whatsoever. Just love. One love.